Okay, so this is NoMad at Park MGM. Here is the entrance. There's a bathroom there that I'll show you in a sec. The floors are nice and wooden. It's not just like regular hotel carpet floors, which is really nice. We've got a nice little table set up with comfy chairs. I think they're comfy. I don't know yet. A nice TV. Some decor paneling on each corner. There's this nice couch. And then here's the view. We can see Aria and like all of like the city center stuff. And then we also have a pool view. And so there's the NoMad specific pool and then the regular Park MGM pools. And then here's the little nightstand, and then the carpet, the rug on the floor is really nice. There's the phone, some outlets with USB plugs. These are dimmable. They have a little gallery wall with all the art, and then a nice king size bed. And then we have a dresser right here with a nice mirror. We'll look inside in a second. Here's the little clock with the radio and stuff, Bluetooth speaker, I guess. A place to put our bags. Ooh. So there's stuff that we can't touch because they'll charge us. And then like the ice thing. Some nice glasses we can use. Let me open this. Okay. I guess this, oh, this must be the mini bar. Okay, and then the side, we got a steamer. We got some robes we can use. I'm not really sure what this is. Do we get to keep it? It's like a laundry bag or something. Who knows? We got some slippers. Cute. Our safe. And then more storage. Let's go back to the bathroom. Oh, and here's some more art on the walls. Very nice. I like the little taxidermy butterflies. Okay, and then here's the bathroom. So here's the little vanity area. It's really nice. One of our lights is out though, so that's dumb. But it looks like we have like some glasses with water, a little soap. This like faucet is really like vintagey and cool looking. Yeah, nice. Nice theming here. Some lotion, little towel rack. Cute little tile floor. There's a toilet in the corner. It doesn't have a separate door like at Aria or anything, but it's hidden. Little places to put your towels, and then a shower, but there's no tub. Okay, so that was the room. It's a good size. It's really nicely decorated and it looks really nice. There was a kind of a weird situation going on with check-in, so they gave us $25 dining credit per person, so that was nice. But yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video.